good evening and welcome to the 2009 Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year Awards. Now, the past year has been bruising for all of us, but particularly for Irish business. And we've all come to terms with the present, which is filled with unprecedented challenges. But tonight, we're going to concentrate on the future. And if Ireland is to recover, we need special leaders in business who have the conviction and the energy to fight back. Now, in this room tonight are 24 unique business leaders, and in less than an hour, one of them will be named the 2009 Entrepreneur of the Year. But if we are going to look to the future, what matters even more than tonight is not so much who's going to win this competition, but who's going to win the competition in 30 years' time. Where is he or she going to be found, and who will encourage that person to emerge from the pack? And that's the real reason that we are here tonight. Because when times are tough, our key responsibility is to provide the direction and the inspiration for those generations who are coming up behind us.
I was going to be an ice cream man, but then I changed to an inventor. And now I'm going to invent a 4-armed robot and a hovering car and a car that can go on any terrain and loads of other stuff that I'm working on.
Yeah, I was thinking of doing this, a flying rocking chair with a little thing for my lizard.
I could make, you know, like skates, and you can take off the wheels and put blades on. Yeah.
What kind of person is an entrepreneur? A busy person.
It may not yet be a core element of the national curriculum, but rest assured, the children of modern Ireland already know a thing or two about what it takes to make it as an entrepreneur.
I think it's fundamentally important to get children involved in the whole idea of entrepreneurship from a very, very early age. And so actually developing the interest that young people have in terms of business as a potential career opportunity. So yeah, I mean, I think it is fundamental for the next generation.
What the Entrepreneur of the Year programme does is celebrate entrepreneurship, identify great business people who build great businesses. What we're trying to do is inspire future generations, our children, to be entrepreneurs in the future. So instead of being a pop star or a footballer, a young person may very well want to be an entrepreneur.
But what exactly is an entrepreneur? What is it that makes them stand out from the crowd?
It's so hard to say the word. Entrepreneurs. They open up their own businesses and they have lots of great ideas and stuff.
They have ties and suits and briefcases.
I think entrepreneur is very rich. They even have like these big swimming pools. Becoming an entrepreneur gets you a job, but it also gets other people jobs. So it's a good idea.
I think entrepreneurs are those people that are best equipped, given their resilience, to actually identify opportunities and to overcome obstacles that have been presented in the current climate.
Even when they get a business up and running and make it into a success, even a global success, it's not enough for them. You find quite often that they exit and start another one just for the fun of it. And then people, it's that sort of zeal and drive is just not present in the vast majority of people.
In many ways, the media have had loads of opportunity to give bad news over a period, and to look at this type of award ceremony and see the amount of energy and the amount of opportunity, the amount of optimism, and you have to really feel this is the future. These are the people who are going to help Ireland get back on track.
Entrepreneurs, they're not like all bossy or anything. They're not like, oh geez, would you hurry up and everything, and they don't always ask like if they're getting paid a check, and then they're not always like, oh, I want it in cash money. They're not like that. They're real polite and everything.